Now if you see the third question, you have to find any 10 rational numbers which lie between multiplicative inverse of 7 by 5 and additive inverse of minus 11 by 10. So that means we have to find 10 rational numbers between multiplicative inverse of 7 by 5, between multiplicative inverse of 7 by 5 and additive inverse of minus 11 by 10. And see, we cannot solve directly with this condition. So first find the multiplicative inverse of 7 by 5, and we know that multiplicative inverse is nothing but reciprocal. It will become 5 by 7, and additive inverse is nothing but putting a negative symbol before it, so it will become 11 by 10 plus 11 by 10. Now these are the numbers 5 by 7 and 11 by 10, and since the denominators are not equal, we'll make them equal by cross multiplication. So 5 by 7 into 10 by 10 and 11 by 10 into 7 by 7. Remember, if you want to make the denominators equal, we have to do multiplication with the opposite denominators. So that will become 50 by 70 and 77 by 70. Now we can easily find 10 rational numbers. If we can't find 10 rational numbers, again we can multiply with 11 by 11, or again we'll multiply with 2 by 2, like that. Okay, now clearly we can find 10 rational numbers between 50 by 70 and 75 by 70, 77 by 70, starting from 51 by 70, 52 by 70, and so on to 76 by 70. That's it.